Hi guys, today I'm gonna answer on the popular question about this Marshall Emberton II speaker. Is it waterproofed? But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more useful content. So, is it actually waterproofed? The answer is yes. This speaker is waterproofed. With the rating IP67, this speaker greatly deals with dust and water and even withstands dive in water for 1 meter, which is 3 feet, within 30 minutes. It is especially cool for those who likes to travel and who likes adventure. Now you can take your speaker with you on a beach or at the pool without a fear to break it. You can check all of the details on the site Marshall or in the instruction that goes in a complete with this speaker. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.